login, you go on our wallet tab. So you can see here all your information regarding your transaction. So you can type the type of transaction, all the details and information. So wish list, boost, link purchase, and with all details, so the date and the amount. Here you can see. Then here you have the transaction ID, if there is a refund, the buyer email, the amount. So you can sort all the transaction, you can auto export it, and you can like filter it here. So basically you have your current balance here. Transfer is occurring every Friday. So you will receive your fund on Friday by bank transfer. So you unlocked the verification profile when you reach $30 of minimum transaction volume. And then you can just make the verification. You choose if it's personal or business here. You click on the button. Then you have to verify your identity. So your name, you can upload your IDs and you will verify your identity. It takes up to 45 hours and then you can withdraw your fund. If you have any question, you have like a chat